Hi, today we are going to learn more about uploading a custom contact list via CSV. To do this, go to app.aitrillion.com and log in with your registered credentials. Once you're logged in, you will see a screen similar to the one in the video. You can then go to Email Marketing, go to Contacts, and import CSV. Here, choose the Upload CSV option. Agree with the terms of service above. Tell AiTrillion where you obtained these contacts from. So I'm going to say test. And then source description. Does the list contain double obtained customers? And then browse for your CSV file, the customer list. So I'm going to browse for the customer list. Here is the list that I needed. You will notice that the list name comes in here. I can then choose what I want to do with the contacts. Do I want to update existing contacts and add new ones? Unsubscribe both new and existing contacts? Add new contacts? Unsubscribe only existing contacts, or update existing contacts? Once I've made my choice, I'll click Next. It now asks me to map the columns from the CSV file to our fields. So the first name, map to first name, last name, map to last name, email, map to email. Do you want to add these contacts to any lists? So I'll say maybe not. Do you want to add contacts to a new list? So yes, I want to create a new list, and I'm going to call it new import. Newly imported contacts. Once I've made my settings, I can hit next. It says, please review the details of your contact import. Would you like to be notified by email when this import is finished? And then once you've made your settings, click finish. Ignore the prompt. This is a test machine, so you're probably not going to get this. And the CSV has been imported successfully. It is now in the system and shall be imported very shortly. Once the list has been imported, once your contacts have been imported to the list, they will appear in the list that you created. For any questions, please feel free to chat with us using the live chat icon on www.aitrillion.com. The live chat icon is located at the bottom right-hand corner, or you can use any one of our available resources. Thank you for taking a look at this video, and have a great day.